everybody, welcome to the Urban Palette Kitchen. I'm Chef Mercy, and today I want to make pancakes. I want to show you guys the professional, way to make pancakes. And I get a lot of questions about them because I make them pretty often, especially if you guys follow me on IG. I do put up a lot of photos of pancakes. It's definitely an easy breakfast to make in the morning. So I made my pancake mix, and I'm just using regular store-bought. In my pan right here, I have about 3 or 4 tablespoons of whole butter. My flame is on, or my induction burner is on, like medium. So it's not high enough to brown the butter, but it's high enough to instantly get a crust and a crispiness on the pancake. So I'm just going to use a yellow scoop. It's about 2 ounces. So you see how my butter is starting to get a little golden? So once you put the pancakes in, you see how they're starting to bubble? And you don't want them to cook too fast, because then that means they can be not cooked in the inside. So you want them to be able to cook through, but not burn. And you don't want to flip your pancake more than 2 times. So you see how it's starting to cook on this side, and you want it to kind of cook through. So you see I'm starting to get some bubbles. You don't want to flip your pancake until it's fully bubbled, because that means it's cooked in the inside. So if you take a look right now, it looks like this side is cooking a lot faster than that side, and that tends to happen, depending on what kind of pan you're using. So all I do is just switch it around. Just so it can be nice and evenly coated. I'm getting some bubbles, but I need like 4 bubbles. And these are just going to be plain pancakes. So I'm going to do a quick peek inside to show you guys. So you see how it's still kind of cakey, and that part isn't cooked, but you see that part is starting to cook. And that's why you want to make sure that your bubbles are coming all the way through. You see? So you got that part cooked, but the other part isn't. And it also is going to be determined by how thick you make your mix. So I'm going to flip this one over. And you see how it slowly rises? So I like to add a little bit more butter, because I like my pancakes super, super buttery. So I like to add a little bit more butter at this time. So. And you make sure that your pancakes are not sticking. So I'm going to show you guys what this side looks like. So now your pancake is fully cooked through. And it's, you see? Pancake fully cooked through. So I usually just stack my pancakes when I make them. And I'll put a little bit of butter in between. I like a lot of butter on my pancakes. And it's just to soak up any extra butter in the pan. That's the only reason why I'm doing this. So, pancake on. They look like. So those are my pancakes. Super easy, super fast. I add a little butter. You can add powdered sugar, syrup, whatever floats your boat on your pancakes. You know, I'm going to show you guys one more recipe, and this one's going to be a flavored pancake.